from NBC News. This is Today.
All right, it's still to come.
Yeah, the must-have colors of spring for your clothes.
Five of them.
And we're going to have a little flower competition between us. Yeah, because
Get
that's
some
what we
wine.
do. Of course we
Ray
are.
Al's here.
Of course he is. Coming up next, it is Spring Flower Power. Michael Gaffney is going to tell us what's in bloom right this second.
Are there 5 things?
Yes, 5 flowers.
Nothing says spring more than beautiful flowers.
And
They make you happy just to look at
In
them.
a great mood, and that's why we have arranged for flower designer and founder of the American Schools of Flower Design, Michael Gaffney, to give us the scoop on what's in bloom. Hey, Michael.
Hi, ladies. Thank you for having me here. I'm thrilled.
Beautiful, by the way, the creations. Aren't these amazing?
Well, they just are. Nothing's more gorgeous than nature, and you can control nature in a vase, right?
Right. It's about controlling. I call it controlling the merchandise. Throw any bunch of flowers in front of me, and I'm.
But you can't overdo it, can't you?
No.
I've seen some people that have.
Versace said, less is less.
Less
I've
is
been
less.
at his house, and he sure did believe that.
Now, you do something called European styling, which
Right,
I don't know what that
we're going to
is.
talk about trends
but
today.
yeah.
I came to New York, and I got the New York design experience. I started going to the runway shows in Lincoln Center, working for designers, great designers, B. Michael, great florists, Ariston, and absorbing their designs and trading. And I think these are the trends that are coming.
Okay.
We've all seen the mono flower arrangement, one flower, one color, one ball, right?
Yeah.
Right.
We've been seeing those to death for the last 4 or 5 years.
Hey, some of us still like that.
Out today, no more.
Okay.
We're doing a nice European look. Collections of flowers, gardens of flowers.
Gorgeous is
like
my
a,
favorite.
Right,
Love
like
this.
a small watercolor painting of flowers.
Yes,
you know,
yeah.
very European, very English. Could
Very
be because of
English,
the Middleton
yeah.
event coming our way, perhaps. That could have an influence.
No, it's just you see that palette in a lot of English gardens.
Right. It's a little bit of your garden in every vase, and it's more textured. You know, tells a story.
You know, my husband gets so mad at me back, Michael, when I do high wind treatments like that at dinner tables. He goes
In the middle?
and then he just goes right over and
moves
picks it
it.
up and moves it.
Some like it black, some like it moved. You got to know your client, and if he wants it low, you better too low. Yeah, it depends.
And you've got some brighter ones that are off to the left.
Right,
there,
here
yeah.
we've got trend 2, though. We like greenery, the great designers, you know, Martha Preston, they know about how not only use flowers, but use the greenery as well. So
Pretty.
I teach my students at the School of Flower Design Incorporate. We've got lamb's ear, seeded eucalyptus berries. Next trend over here, more romantic, lighter pastel shades. Instead of the neon brights on every table, we're going to softer shades. You know, these are some pink roses, but we softened up with some nice lavender wax flower. And another trend are these containers, antique
I love
containers.
that.
I found them all at a thrift store over the weekend.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
And I like collections of them in the middle of each table for a wedding.
Different
Yes,
ones, yeah.
Right, different
Yeah.
containers and different flowers. And
I always tell you, you've got to cut the stems at the bottom. You do that
You know,
every time.
it's a lot of work, actually.
Yeah.
The finished
I'm gonna
product's beautiful, but you got to have a good
here's your
place
design
to work.
project for today. I'm turning
Okay.
you into designers. We're going to do a technique called collaring. All the bouquets on this table were done with one technique that I teach at the New York School
What
of
is
Flower
it?
Design. We're going to take a focal point, right?
Yeah.
We're going to surround it with a
Yeah.
collar it, just like my shirt collar. We're going to
Yeah.
collar it with another flower, right?
Oh, that's pretty.
It's pretty already.
Right?
We're going to take another flower.
Why don't we head down there and let's try
And
since we
collar
got
it some
we're
more.
running out of time. So
And-
we'll do exactly what you said. What do we do? We're
Start with a focal flower.
Is this the middle?
Pick
What's
up
the
some
polka?
roses.
Roses.
I want the focal to be these.
She doesn't
You can
care
start
what
with
she
that,
doesn't
Trey.
care what
Go
you
ahead.
said.
And just start collaring around the outside
Collaring.
of the design. Nope. One at a time. Go all the way around.
Da 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 da.
Slow down there. Slow down.
It's a thing of beauty,
Let's see,
homie.
Kathie. Let's
It's
see
a
some-
thing of beauty, baby. What are you doing?
Wow.
I'm already done. Is this a contest of time?
If time is part of being a floral designer, yes.
Oh, that is pretty.
Kathie Lee.
Kathie Lee, you're good.
I love this stuff.
What about mine?
Not so much.
Look at it. Look at it. Love it.
Actually, I think that's beautiful.
Love it.
That's very pretty.
It's pretty. It's
What do
good.
you
A little-
think?
slow
Come on
down,
over and
you
judge.
have
Come
it.
on over and judge. Come on, we have 15 seconds.
Well, I
Come
only
on,
had
Michael.
3 things to choose from.
That's
What
so
I
bad.
had.
Who's the new design star
Okay,
here?
and the star is, go ahead.
I like Hoda's better. She had more to choose from.
You both win
I knew you
scholarships
were
to
gonna-
my
Yay.
school.
Oh, thank you. Gosh, thank you so
Beautiful
much.
work.